Traveling in Japan is an incredible experience, but getting your physical IC card out of your bag or forgetting where you place your IC card can be a bit of a hassle. That's why transferring your physical Suica, PASMO, or ICOCA card to your iPhone or Apple Watch is a game changer. It not only makes your travel smoother, but also ensures you have it in your favorite pocket at all times and have quick and easy access to your balance right from your device. So let me show you how simple it is to get started. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Jeff Nagan, 6 years in Japan, and I guide travelers or tourists in Japan with my videos. So let us go first with the requirements. First one, to add a Suica, PASMO, or ICOCA card to your iPhone or Apple Watch, you'll need the following: an Apple ID that you used to sign in your device with two-factor authentication enabled. So for Suica or PASMO, an iPhone 8 or later, or an Apple Watch Series 3 or later. Now for Suica only, an iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, or an Apple Watch Series to purchase in Japan. For ICOCA only, an iPhone 8 or later with iOS 16 or later, an Apple Watch Series 3 or later with Watch OS 8.7.1 or later. Next, you can transfer your physical card along with the current balance to Apple Wallet. So once transferred, your physical card will no longer work and the deposit will be added to your balance in Apple Wallet. So to add a card for iPhone, you need to open the Wallet app and tap the Add button. For Apple Watch on your iPhone, open the Apple Watch app, tap the My Watch tab, and scroll down, tap Wallet and Pay, and tap Transit Card. So the steps: number 1, tap the transit card and select the card you want to add and tap Continue. The next step, transfer existing card and follow the on-screen instructions to transfer your physical card. Next, verify the last 4 digits of the card number. If you're adding a My Suica card, personalized PASMO card, or a commuter PASMO or Suica card, or an ICOCA card, you'll need to enter your date of birth. So use the same date of birth you provided when you purchased the physical card. Tap Next. Now place your card on a flat surface and rest the top of your iPhone on the card until the card added appears on the screen. Now this process may take a few minutes to complete. Also, basically, you can only do everything on this video if you have a physical IC card. After the pandemic year, there was a global chip shortage for the IC cards, so they paused giving out physical cards for some time now. But there's a good news to this. Japan Rail East is releasing a mobile Suica for tourists in spring 2025. So no need to buy the physical cards and making it into digital, because it will be sold as digital cards already. Now before I move to how reloading works, if you're getting value from this video, please support my channel by liking or sharing this video. Subscribe button is there if you also need to be updated every week of my video. Let's go with the reloading of your digital IC card. So via credit card, tap the plus icon in Apple Pay, then tap transit card, add money, input the amount, and choose a credit card you want to use. Now once done, you're ready to go. But via IC card reloading station, not all stations have these, but most major stations in cities and urban areas in Japan do. Now, follow the on-screen instructions, which are usually available in English, to make it easy to reload without any hassle. Now, by transferring your Suica, PASMO, or ICOCA card to your iPhone or Apple Watch, you're setting yourself up for a smoother and more convenient journey across Japan. No more fumbling for cards, just tap, go with ease. Now, whether you're loading via credit card or at the station, managing your traveler funds has never been simpler. Now, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, hit the bell for more tips making the most of your travels in Japan. Safe travels, mata ne! Bye.